Okay, so ADLINK as a company focuses on the industrial Internet of Things. And in the domain, what we provide is a full platform ranging from hardware to software. So our goal essentially is to make it as simple as possible to implement industrial Internet of Things functionality from gathering the data from, let's say, even brownfield machines, and then eventually making good use of this information. So distributing information, analyzing it, and then executing whatever makes the most sense in the given business. Okay, so as a company, I think we are pretty happy with our progress in industrial Internet of Things. We have already good adoption, some pretty impressive use cases from autonomous vehicles in agriculture to smart grids. The main challenge that we have is that the market is still relatively immature and there is a lot of confusion. Some of that comes from the overrated hype. Some of that comes from the fact that it's an early market, and so unavoidably there is a lot of confusion. That slows the adoption, makes our job harder, and it's what we need to address in the short term, I think. So the first time we got in touch with Huawei because of our, I would say, synergistic nature. So we come mostly from the OT market, Huawei comes from the IT or ICT market, and so it was this natural complementarity that eventually made us meet. Besides the natural synergistic product offering, I think we are very well aligned with respect to how we see the technology evolving toward industrial Internet of Things. And more importantly, the perspective that we have both on fog computing as well as edge computing. Lots of our collaboration are on that areas, as well as new emerging technology like NB-IoT. So the Ocean Connect platform is a cloud platform which is quite complementary to what we offer, because again, we focus mostly on the edge and on fog computing. So as I mentioned before, although it's targeting IoT, it's still pretty much in synergy with our offering, and in a sense can complete what ADLINK has to provide, and vice versa. What we provide is a good addition to a Huawei product. As I mentioned before, I think one of the main barriers of growth in the market is the confusion. So I would expect Huawei to help us and help the industry cleaning up the confusion, cleaning away the noise, and helping also us build an ecosystem of technology partner that can provide a ready-to-use stack for industrial Internet of Things, and besides of that, also helping in clarifying and identifying what are for real the clear standard and technology that should be adopted in this domain. Because as I said, there is a lot of noise and still quite a bit of confusion, but it's normal because we are early. One of Huawei's objectives is to make a more connected world with specific focus to IoT. In that respect, Huawei has been pioneering the narrowband IoT standard. So with that, now we have the networking level addressed, but we need more, let's say, higher level protocols that can exploit this low power and wider network connectivity. We are working on a standard precisely to address that problem, and the result will be very high level abstraction to share data in a very power efficient and bandwidth efficient manner at any scale.